Welcome back, Crammers, to question 4. Here are two sides of parallelogram on the grid above complete parallelogram. So we can see from this point to this point, it simply moves down by 3 units and to the right by 1 unit. So we'll copy that here. Moves down 3 units and moves to the right by 1 unit. So that means our final answer is here. And we simply connect the lines as shown. The diagram shows a 3D shape. What is the mathematical name of this 3D shape? This is a pyramid. Here. How many faces has this shape? One, two, three, four, five. 5 faces. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.